Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Let's talk about protecting your cell phone investment from getting wet. So even though most cell phones have a water resistant element to them, I know I don't want to submerge my cell phone in water. And that's why I'm so excited about these cases that are completely sealed and waterproof to protect my cell phone. These waterproof cases are from Rynapac. They come in 4 separate colors, which is nice for a family. It's easy to use. You just simply close the locks and you know that's it. Your cell phone is protected, but you can still easily use it through the case. I went ahead and showed how it would look from the water, underwater to the surface without changing anything. And you can see how clear the images are as I video my dog Honey from inside my pool water and outside. It's an impressive image quality. I was impressed by the fact that you get a strap with each one of these. The directions are very clear on how to use it. It's got a universal size, so a huge variety of cell phones will fit into this pouch. And I was impressed by how clear my video and pictures were underwater using this cell phone case. So this was an incredible win for me to protect the investment of my cell phone and give me peace of mind so that I know if there's any water, my cell phone is not going to get damaged. And that is my point of view.